What's up? We are back. This time I'm doing a 5-lug hub conversion on my Nissan 240 SX. The stupid 4 lugs just aren't cutting it anymore, so we are swapping it out. These are the ISR 5-lug hub conversion. I got mine from Enjuku Racing. Unfortunately, I really wanted to film all 4 and make that a YouTube video front and rear, but I realized that we already started wrapping the car and I didn't want to just give away what the color was. So this is just going to be the front driver's side. All the other ones are already done, but I still think it's important to share how this works because I had to watch a lot of videos and other people might be interested in learning how to as well. So we are going to be doing this today. I'm super excited. Unfortunately, I don't have the wheels yet, so it is gonna just sit shoeless for a couple weeks. But that's kind of part of the process. We've got a lot of wrapping left to do still anyways, so that buys us some time. ISR kit is amazing. These just slide right on and you don't have to do anything. They are pretty much just ready to go. So the hardest part is gonna be getting the old ones off because they are really old. Nothing has been taken off in a really long time. So we are going to go out there and swap out the old one for this guy and go from there. I am going to obviously start by taking the wheel off, then we'll have to get the dust cap off. Hopefully this side's easier than the other side. It's been on there for a while, but I think it'll be fine. I still got the other one off, so. Okay. Shoes are coming out. There we go. Alright. Now I have to take this cotter pin out and then I'm probably gonna get the caliper off. These things, amazing. I love them. And they're so easy. Oh, they're so amazing. Let's see. Alright. Sometimes I've learned the only way I'm strong enough to get some of these things is by getting under it. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Push. Okay, all 4 bolts are broken loose. Oh yeah, this screws is from the front side. One, take out the second one. The rears I think are torqued to 203 foot-pounds and I don't think they've been taken off in over 10 years. So the rears were definitely a fun one. Alright. Yep, shocker. These are really stuck on there. Ta-da! Bye-bye. There's actually, I'm impressed with how much pad is left on these, but the rotors are cooked. When doing these, the front is actually really easy because that's all it is, and then we just undo this and the new one slides right on. The rears, a little bit more fun. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Oh, you can see it bending. No. Okay, before we break something, we're gonna have to use the end of a jack. Okay, I have the breaker bar, the end of the jack, and then we're gonna jack up that and see if this idea will work. It would appear it's not. Okay, well, we got it. Okay, well, that's good. Good stuff. All right. This is your sign, folks. Never give up. Also, this is a 30mm. What I didn't realize was that the front's a 30, the rear I think is a 35, if I remember correctly. And with the fronts, make sure you keep this little guy because you will need it on the other one, and it does lock in place, so don't lose her. Now I'm gonna use some wheel bearing grease, get all this nice and dirty, and then put the new one on. I'm just cleaning everything off, get everything nice and clean so that we can have a fresh start. I've cleaned off everything and everything looks good and shiny new. I'm gonna put bearing grease, and I am going to use a glove because I hate getting this stuff off my hands. Say what you want. It's so pretty. Okay, this is all done and torqued down to 142 foot-pounds. I did on both sides. So, and the cotter pin is on. She's pretty and ready to go, and brakes are next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I learned once again so much from working on my own car. I'm so happy that I have a platform that I can share this process on with you. We're getting closer and closer to my dream drift car build, and I'm so excited. We're gonna keep the videos coming here and there. Check out my Instagram. I do post a lot more mini clips on there, so you can kind of see the process a little bit more, but closer and closer every single week. So I'm excited to share the next one with you. Hopefully the next one will be our wrapping one, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. Anyways, thank y'all. Love you. Mwah.